Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make smooth head tracking for your edits inside After Effects.
Willing to pay. All that business is done. Legitimate business.
Sports came out in '83. I think they really came into their own.
Before we start the tutorial, I am making a 1-week offer where you'll get my 3D text pack with 50% off on my 3D text pack, which I have decreased 50%. So don't waste your time and check out my shop. So first, ready with your comp, make sure you have 60 frames per second. Add your clips, go to Tracker. If you didn't find Tracker, then go to Windows tab and enable it as well. After that, click on Stabilize Motion, and now you can see this track point appears. Now click on Options and choose Stop Tracking. Now make the track like this. Now put the track to your character nose. You can also choose eyes, nose and ears for tracking, or a highly contract areas also. After placing, click on this play icon and watch your tracker. If it changes its position, then stop the play icon and change its position to its original one. As you can see, it changes its position. So I am changing to its original position now. After completing, click on Apply and make sure to set X and Y. As you can see, we have done the tracking. Now select the clip and add motion tile effect. Now change its values to 300 as well. Now enable frame blending and deblur for more smoothness. Now pre-compose your first clip.
Willing to pay. All that business is done. Legitimate business.
Now let's jump to the next clip. Do the same thing with other clips as well, guys. If you make a small tracker, it will take less time, and if you make a big one, it will take time, as it depends on your processor too. Now you have made the smoothest head tracking. Now after head tracking, if you are facing this glitch, then f*** it. I got a solution, so first go on that point and cut it by pressing Ctrl-Shift-D and disable its frame blending, so you have removed that f***ing glitch. Now add your color correction to it. If you want my color correction, then make sure to check out my shop where you will get my 4K color corrections as well. I hope you like this tutorial. Also, let me know which tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, guys.